Hi everybody. Today I will talk to you about the power of positive thinking. If you have any project or if you want to achieve something, you will notice that basically the achieving something is a different thing. Your positive thinking basically makes it achieve. Every day everybody has their own problems or situations. How we think that particular problem or that particular situation, how we treat that. If you have a positive thinking, you will get positive results also. Suppose we want to be happy, you want to be happy, you want to solve some problem, so we don't blame that my surrounding around here doesn't make me happy or something. Let me give you an example. In one of the speech of the Aga Khan III, he explained very concisely about the happiness, that how you can get happiness. It's you who will get happiness, it's not your surrounding will get happiness. I will quote that. I should first of all advise my heirs to learn to desire the thing that happens and not try to mold events in their desires. I say that you should endeavor to switch your desire to the event and not the event to your desire. Never forget this. The society in which we live cannot give a man happiness. If we miss that, you miss my point altogether. Society can give a man space to breathe and freedom to move in it. It can afford him the means of keeping himself healthy and making himself strong. But happiness never depends on one's surroundings. It depends altogether and exclusively on oneself. Just like one of the old saying that glass is half full or half empty, depends how you look at the picture, and that makes your life easy also. It says that everybody gets their share of problems. Everybody gets. It's not necessary you say, I'm the one who's getting all problems all the time. Not necessary. Everybody has their share of problems. How somebody treats that problem, that makes the difference of the situation. Now the positive thinking is not one day thing that we say, okay, tomorrow I'll just start thinking positive, which is good thing. You can do that way also. But there's a few steps I will tell you. This will it will come to your personality. It will be a part of your lifestyle once that you are thinking that way. So once you will learn those things, slowly you will change your lifestyle. I'll give you 3 points and we'll go from there. Human being is built with the 3 things: body, soul and mind. So we have to check step by step those things, and then we will conclude and we'll connect those points that how these things are helping us in improving positiveness. Once you have a positive, I told you, we will prove this one. The positive thinking is a power. It will help you to improve your lifestyle. You can achieve something. If somebody can achieve that one, you can achieve that also. That's how it is. Sky is the limit. You are the one, only your limit. That's it. You don't have any other limit. You make your target as high as possible, and your attitude is positive that I can do that. That affirmation will help you. So let's talk about body, soul and mind one by one. First of all, your body. First of all, you try to get healthy food. That helps also, because that healthy food runs to your blood and it flow to your thinking eventually. Second thing, you should get your full sleep. Like whatever your sleep requirement is there, try to get the full sleep, 8 hours, 9 hours, whatever is your body requirement. You try to get that sleep every day so you get freshen up your body. And third thing is that you do exercise. If you don't go to gym or anything, so at least do basic exercise or just walk. Buy one treadmill for home or just go for walk, outside walk or something. Sometimes little faster walk, little bit running also. That walk will brings your blood flow faster and it will give you better thinking also eventually. So we have a 3 points: body. So look after your body. Eventually it will help your positive thinking. We are looking after body first. Now the second part is your mind. So mind is that you have to try to get knowledge every day. You try to upgrade knowledge every day. Now you will say, I'm in IT or I'm in this position already and I'm doing my job every day fine. I'm fine with that. I'm making good money, I'm fine with that. But every day the new information, new technology, new knowledge is changing. So try to upgrade yourself on that field every day. Upgrade yourself. And sometimes you are already doing one subject or anything, you are already working on that, you have a good job or anything, but then try to get another behind the subject. You are just doing some online courses. You are doing this one fine. You are a doctor, you're an engineer, anything. But take some time out of this and find something that I want to do, learn something extra. Maybe I want to learn this also, and get your knowledge on that. Upgrade your knowledge all the time. So your brain should get more and more knowledge. This will help you in your positive thinking. Now the third point is soul. Now, as you will know that every day we need food for our body, breakfast, lunch, supper, or some people do 2 times, so you want 1 time, but you need a food. Even 1 time in a day, you need a food for your body. So same thing is your soul needs a food every day. You do prayers according to your religions, maybe 3 times a day or 5 times or whatever, or different timings, 1 time, times 5 times, however you want to do it, but do some prayers. And that prayers is basically faith in God, that you know that God created us and He is sustaining us also. So once you have the faith that God is looking after me, it's not me, there's a problem and I am in trouble. No, there is a situation around here, but God is there to look after. Because He created us, so He will give us the other solution also. It's not only prayers, it's our ethical values also. Our conscience should be clear also. Sometimes some people say, oh, you know what, I will get some money out of, because that person doesn't know, I can cheat that one or this. That cheating or something, it will go in our subconscious, or eventually it will bother you. And that bothersome will never give you the good positive thinking. You might get stress or you might get depression also eventually. So try to improve your ethical values also, and that eventually helps us bringing positive attitude. So that kind of attitude, once we develop, that we have somebody's there to look after us, that attitude will make your difference to solving that particular problem. Positive thinking has a power. It is your power basically. It's your confidence. You develop it and you achieve whatever you want to achieve it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from here. Any other thing you can put in comments also. I love to read those. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.